PDFs are one of the most common file formats you'll encounter, but if you're new to them, they can feel a bit confusing. In this video, we'll explain what PDFs are, why they're useful, and how beginners can use them effectively in 2025. First, let's cover what a PDF is. PDF stands for Portable Document Format. It's a file type designed to preserve the formatting of your document, no matter what device or software you open it on. Whether it's a report, an ebook, a resume, or a scanned image, a PDF ensures that fonts, layouts, and images appear exactly as intended. One of the biggest advantages of PDFs is universality. Almost every device, Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, can open a PDF. You don't need the original program that created the file, like Word or Excel, which makes sharing documents much simpler and more reliable. For beginners, creating PDFs is easy. You can save documents, spreadsheets, or presentations as PDFs directly from most programs. On Google Docs, for example, you just click File, Download, PDF document. This is perfect for sending files that you don't want others to accidentally edit. Viewing and reading PDFs is straightforward. Free tools like Adobe Acrobat Reader, web browsers, or even Google Drive allow you to open PDFs, zoom in or out, search for keywords, and scroll through pages smoothly. You can also highlight text, add notes, and bookmark pages to make reviewing easier. For beginners who need editing options, modern tools make this simple. You can fill out forms, add text boxes, highlight sections, or even insert images without converting the file. Some programs even allow you to annotate PDFs collaboratively, which is great for work or school projects. Another important feature is conversion. PDFs can be converted to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or image formats if you need to edit content more extensively. Similarly, you can turn documents or images into PDFs for secure and professional sharing. Searching and organizing PDFs is beginner-friendly too. You can search for keywords within a PDF to find information quickly. If you have multiple PDFs, organize them into folders, rename them clearly, and even use tags or emojis for easier access. Finally, PDFs offer security features. You can protect your files with passwords, restrict printing or copying, and digitally sign documents. This is especially useful for contracts, official forms, or sensitive personal files. In short, PDFs are versatile, reliable, and easy to use. Perfect for beginners who want to create, share, and manage documents professionally. With a few simple tips, anyone can master PDFs in 2025. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more beginner-friendly tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.